Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: compatible devices, Wi-Fi on, and Jioswitch installed. Once done, open the app and grant storage and Wi-Fi permissions so transfers can access files. Tap Send if you're sharing, or Receive if you're accepting. This initiates device discovery. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled to speed pairing, then choose the specific files or entire folder you want to move. This immediate action gets the connection handshake underway and prepares both devices. Once you've chosen Send or Receive, you must establish a secure connection. You tap the target device in the visible list, then confirm the device name to avoid wrong transfers. Next, use the app's QR code or temporary PIN to pair. This prevents accidental sharing. After confirmation, pick the transfer mode: local Wi-Fi for high speed, or Bluetooth fallback if Wi-Fi isn't available. Make sure both devices show the same progress indicator. That's how you know the channel is authenticated and active. To finish, watch the progress bar until it reaches 100%, then confirm files opened correctly. That verifies integrity. If the transfer interrupts, use Jioswitch's resume option. Reinitiate the send within 2 minutes and the app will continue where it left off. If you hit problems, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, restart the app, or rescan the QR code to repair. One key troubleshooting tip: check both devices' storage and permissions first. Most failures come from full storage or denied app access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.